Vietnam is one of Asia's most exciting travel destinations, welcoming millions of international tourists every year. For foreign investors, setting up a tour operator company in Vietnam is a profitable opportunity, but this business is conditional and requires strict compliance with licensing, capital, and staffing requirements. Foreign investors are not permitted to wholly own a tour operator company in Vietnam. Under the law on tourism, they must form a joint venture with a Vietnamese partner, who may hold as little as 1% ownership. In addition, foreign invested tour operators are restricted to international inbound services only. This means they can organize and manage tours serving international tourists traveling into Vietnam, but they are not allowed to organize outbound tours taking tourists abroad. The company must also register a legal head office with a valid lease contract. For credibility and smooth licensing, offices located in central business areas or tourism zones are recommended. While virtual offices may be accepted for initial company registration, physical premises are required for the tourism license. Vietnamese law does not impose a fixed minimum charter capital for tour operator companies. Investors may declare capital according to their financial capacity and business plan, provided it is realistic for the intended operations. Inbound tour operators with foreign investment must place a deposit of 250 million Vietnamese dongs, around 10,000 United States dollars, in a designated account at a licensed commercial bank in Vietnam. This statutory deposit, called the Tourism Guarantee Fund, is required by law to protect tourists in cases of risks or contractual breaches. To begin, foreign investors must follow a clear three-step process. Step 1. Apply for an Investment Registration Certificate, IRC, from the Department of Finance, usually issued within 2 to 3 weeks. Step 2. Apply for an Enterprise Registration Certificate, ERC, typically granted within 1 week, which officially incorporates your company and records international inbound tourism services as your business line. Step 3. Complete post-licensing tasks such as making the company seal, registering for taxes, and opening a capital account at a licensed bank. After establishing the company, you must apply for the International Travel Service License from the Department of Tourism. The application requires proof of the statutory deposit, a qualified tour operator manager, and compliance with the law on tourism. Without this license, the company cannot legally organize inbound international tours. To qualify for the International Travel Service License, the company must employ at least one certified tour operator manager who has completed a recognized training program in tourism operations. This ensures professional standards and legal compliance for inbound tourism services in Vietnam. Tour operator companies with foreign investment must comply with advertising, consumer protection, and contract laws. They are restricted to inbound services only and cannot organize outbound tours taking tourists overseas. Violations may result in fines or revocation of the tourism license under the Law on Tourism 2017. At LTS Law, we help foreign investors establish tour operator companies in Vietnam step by step. From preparing investment applications, fulfilling capital and staffing conditions, to applying for the international travel license, our bilingual legal team ensures a smooth and fully compliant process. Don't let complex regulations delay your tourism business project. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn for a free consultation. Your tour operator company will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to serve Vietnam's fast-growing inbound tourism market.